The name of our project is IPL Database. This is a group presentation that will be presenting to Dr. Animesh Chaturvedi, our professor of the core system engineering. This presentation is created by the three members of the group, respectively Sanu Saxena, Manish Mehta, and Vijay Vijay. Now, my name is Sanu Saxena, and I will be starting the presentation on behalf of my group. The name of our topic is IPL database. I'd like to simply tell in a single line what actually IPL is. IPL stands for Indian Premier League, which is the most famous cricket league founded by the Board of Control for Cricket in India in 2007. It consists of 8 teams named after 8 different cities of the country. Now moving on to what our project is about. With the help of the DBMS model and a little bit of Java, we have created a simple app that contains the data of the IPL 2019 season. The matches played, stats of each team, stats of each player, points table, scorecard of each match, and many more can be seen in our app in the simplest possible way. Now, what actually database is all about? Database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. To create databases, we have used the SQL, which is Structured Query Language, as it is the most handful and easiest way of storing such an amount of data without the fear of it being lost. Further, we can connect our databases with programming languages such as Java using the JDBC function, which helps us in porting the data from SQL to our app. JDBC function is an asset of Java programming language. It stands for Java Database Connectivity, which is an API to connect and execute a query with the database. For the Java coding and the front-end work, we have used Android Studio. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for app development today. It is the most used and an intelligent code editor which helps in visualizing, previewing, and emulating apps in the easiest way. Now, my friend Manish Mehta will take over the presentation and tell more about the backbone and how our project will be working. Manish, please continue.
I am Manit Mehta and I am gonna walk you through the workflow in the SQL part of our system. So basically our app works with the help of JDBC connection established between the JavaScript and the SQL database. It previews the matches played in the IPL season of 2019. Now Android Studio helps us to make a front-end part of our app. Now at the bottom of the screen of our app there are five options, namely matches, teams, states, points, table, and favorites respectively. The details of each team and the statistics of each player can be found in the above mentioned options present at the bottom of the screen. We will be attaching the screenshots of the app in the last part of our slide. And now talking about the SQL part of our project. SQL is a structured query language. It is designed for managing data in RDBMS model. It is used for database creation, deletion, and managing. Following are the slides of SQL code used for storing database written by us. In SQL part, we have created five codes for five different tables. Firstly, for favorite players, we have created a table in which user can add his favorite player in this table by his name and can see his stats. Second is matches played. In this, we have created a table matches in which there are different entities of match. We have given a unique match ID to every game and name of our teams and toss and everything like that. As you can see, third is our player table. This stores all details of a player name, specification, states, and his country name and everything about that particular player. Next, SQL code is for scorecard. It is for every matches played with unique match ID. It stores information like runs of every player, total wickets taken in that game by every player, total runs and everything. Next, we have created a table as team. It contains the information of every player in this team and their run and stats of particular season. So now my friend Vijit will take over from here and give you a brief about our app and their screenshots.
Myself Vijay Tijargi. This is the first screenshot which show the matches played between the teams and their respective scores. We can see more details about any match by just clicking on the individual tab of each matches. Now, this is the second option present on the bottom of our screen which allow us to see the names of all the teams. The player roster of each team can be individually viewed by clicking on the name tab of each team. Now this is our third option which allow us to see the stats of the tournament, which include the top scorer of the tournament, top wicket taker of the tournament and many more. It consists of detailed stats of each and everything about the tournament. And this is our fourth option which shows the final points table after all the matches played between all the teams. Fifth and the last option that we have on our screen is favorite players. Here we have favorited the captains of each team as per our convenience. The user can favorite any player by clicking the star on top right corner of the screen while checking the profile of player. Now we will talk about the relation with the system engineering of our project. We have basically used data model of system engineering. In this DBMS contain information about particular enterprises, collection of data of matches and player, a program which connects all the data. Our data is so large, so we have used DBS model which is convenient for us. All from our presentation, and now we want to thank you sir for giving us opportunity to work on a system of our own and helping us throughout the project. Now we will we will see the working of our project.
Hello everyone, I am Tanan Saxena back again to show the working of our app. Starting from the main screen here, this, yeah. So this is the first tab of our app, the matches played. This screen shows all the matches that were played in the IPL 2019 season. Here we can just click on any tab and on the tab of any match to see all the details of the match, runs scored by each team, player of the match, date when it was played, city, who won the toss, scorecard of each team, and the bowling details also. For example, I'll show you here on the match 15 here. This was played against Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings, and this is the score of each team, the player of the match, the date when it was played, the city where it was played, the toss details, the scorecard of Mumbai Indians, the bowling details of Chennai Super Kings, the scorecard of Chennai Super Kings, the bowling details of Mumbai Indians. Now we can just I'll show another example. For example here, Kolkata Knight Riders against Chennai Super Kings. So this is the score of each team, the player of the match, date, city, toss details, scorecard, and the bowling details of each team. Now, now moving on to the second option. Here we have the teams. This shows the names of all 8 teams that participated in the IPL 2019 season. We can check the player roster of each team by just clicking on the individual tab of each team. For example, Sunrisers Hyderabad. Here we have the player roster of the team. These are the players that were in the team of Sunrisers Hyderabad in 2019 season. And now further we can check the player details by clicking on the name of each player, its name, its team name, its origin country, all the stats of that player. For example, Khalil Ahmed, this is the role that this player has in the team name, the origin, all the stats, and for example, Kane Williamson, this. Now here we can also see on the top right corner we have a star. Now this star is used to add any player in the favorite players list just by clicking on it. I'll show you like this. I added Kane Williamson in the favorite players. Now just as I add it back again, here see, add it to favorites. Now if I remove it, removed from favorites. So that's how this works. Now moving on to the third option that we have in our app is the statistics of the tournament. This shows the most runs scored by the players, most wickets, best economy, most sixes in an innings, highest scores, all the stats of this tournament can be seen on this tab. Now moving on to the fourth option, we have the points table. This is the points table of the teams after all the 14 matches are played. We can see the total number of matches, the wins of each team, loss of each team, their points after 14 matches, and the net run rate of each individual team. Excuse me. Now, moving on to the last option that we have in this little app of ours is the favorite players list. We can just add any player by clicking the star button on the top right corner. I already showed you. I'll show it once again. If I just click on this star button over here, it shows remove from favorites. Now I can again add it back to the favorites just by clicking on it. I added all the team captains here for my convenience. The user can just go back to the player details through the teams column and add any player that he likes. Like for example, I'll add Krunal Pandya. The user can add or remove any player that he wants to add or remove from the favorite players list. Here also we can check the player details, the role, the team name, the origin of its country, the run scored, and all the details that this player scored or the stats that he had in the IPL 2019 season. So this is how our app works. This was the working of our app, recorded, explained, and presented by Tanuj Saxena. Thank you, sir. This was our project created by the hard work of every member of this group. We were really pleased to work on this project. Thank you, sir, for giving us this beautiful opportunity to explore our depths in the database system.